Hey guys, Jantone here. Today we are back with another episode of They Hunger. Now, this is still during the first recording session, but I have no clue what day this is going up on, because for all I know, I might start a new series or something in between. I've got a Tommy gun, that's all I know, and I really like it. It's like, I am dying now. Whew. Please no. So, what I do know is that the police are not friendly. I killed you earlier. Did I collect the stuff? No, wait. Yeah, I don't... I have a... No, yeah, I have the Tommy gun. Yeah, right. Okay, I saved it up here. Yeah, I'll just go now. I'll keep going. So, I have a couple things on my side here. I have 5 rifle rounds, which means... Boop. That's a zombie one. Boop. Okay. Hope you guys don't get seasick or nothing, but I'm already getting it. Boop. Oh, nope, nope. Here, take this. That missed entirely. Fall to the ground. There we go. Okay, we dealt with them. We did it, boys. We can go home safe today. We will not be going home, actually, because I don't know what home is, and we just got thrown into this universe randomly. I do know this is a train that we went past. Maybe not the same rail track, but it is a rail track, and that's good enough for me. This also seems like a horrible plan to be walking here, but it seems also like the train here has been shut down. We can never know, though. They might come peeling through here, ram through that bar, and be like, hey, this train line ain't closed. It's freaking Friday, man. Just want to get through the week, man. Don't get in my way. Let's go. That's a light. Another light. We are counting lights now. 1 and 2. No! That's exactly what I thought would happen. No! Leave me. Okay. Yeah, I'll just let them duke it out. Grab the popcorn. I just saw horrible. See, this didn't have to happen. There were some very basic safety things that could have been put into place to prevent this kind of a crash. But of course, they're zombies. They don't really have brains. You're still alive. Out of here. There's not really a place to dodge in this train line. Line yet. I guess that's a real term. Am I supposed to be up here? I'm going to save. I'm going to save again. This is yeah, that seems unstable at best. I fallen into the water. Okay, guys, I hate trains. Not really, but like I really hate this train in particular. It'll just start up again in a second here. You watch it. It'll chase us. It'll chase us. I'm not looking forward. How the heck could you be here already? Take dynamite to the legs. The Geneva Convention's for suckers. No. Oh, okay. No, bad. Tommy? Tommy? That's the last chance to run. Gun and gun. I really like it when I don't actually have to die. That's like my favorite time. Oh, just stepped on glass. Hi, are you fine? You seem very much not so. This also seems like a blockage I can't get through, but I'm gonna save. Is there any sort of way at all? What's... Oh! Yeah. I have a plan. I have one. I have a couple plans. Not really, I have one. I just have one. I don't know how much this will be kept in. Maybe I'll have to see later. But I do know. Welcome to the Jantone Express. It's where I expressly jump into a freaking ditch and die. No. Yes, it works. Oh yeah, I am a train man. Get ready to die, people. Okay. I'm just gonna let that continue on its own. Because I feel like if I was on there, I'd probably die. I'm as fast as a train, dude. This is, I mean, it's not even superhuman strength. It's just the umbrella. It's just the umbrella. Yeah. Look at this. I'm actually faster than a train. Oh yeah, look at that. Why is this train smart? Ow! Where? Ambush! Don't like it. Yeah? I'm 7 health. Can't go forward. This is horrible. I hate it. That's a death. Yeah. To break the glass. Yeah. See if I care. Oh, okay. Hey guys, it's D-Day. Get ready. My mouse, it stopped working. Okay. Take that. You're gone, yeah? Yeah, this... Oh!
Come to mommy.
Fine, I'm just bad. Just defend me. Freaking spirit of Rambo! Look over me! Okay. Okay. What I know is nothing, but maybe something. It depends. I just took some mans out. This better not be an explosive. Tell me it's an explosive barrel. It's no explosive barrel. Why? There is an explosive box back there, though. That's too late to use. Where'd you come from? Where? I have guns. Those are just snarks. Those are just retextured snarks. I need none of that in my life. None of it, literally, like, 0. I could attack you, but I'm also reloading. Go away. Oh, you just shook that one off. Okay. I'll tell you what I think about that. I think that I am probably gonna die in a second here. Because if you just shake off a shotgun blast, then you're probably pretty resilient. And I don't think I have anything on that kind of power. This is a useless tram. Useless Nero. That guy who burned Rome down. Not really, he didn't burn Rome down, nor did he actually watch while Rome burnt down, I don't think. As far as I remember, that was just kind of a bit of a myth. I don't even know, nor do I care. I am going to move on. Can I press this? I can't. Now can I do the... Yeah, I bet I can do the train thing. I bet it'll let me. Yeah, dude. Oh, yeah. Full speed ahead. Don't even try to stop me. Don't stop me. I'm gonna copyright. I hear copyright might be a thing for a while. That might be a thing. Get back here. Oh, yeah. I just literally caught up with a train. Well. You guys. Look at this. I'm just too powerful. Don't stop me. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball right now. Oh, no! What have we got? Let it go. You just on a helicopter! Go away. You won't. You won't. Ha! What? That was me. You saw that? You saw that? That was me. That was all me. No. Oh. Ambush. Stop it! You freaking gunman stuff. I hate it. Give me health back. Let me live another day. It's Skyfall time. Hold your breath and count to 10. Because the sky is falling right now. I'm just gonna die. That's just not gonna open. Can I? Hi. Where do I open this? Or turn this on? Where is the thing that I do? Do I break this? Let me in. Do I swim through this mire? Oh, yeah, this is it. I think this is it, guys. Hi, that's a really strong... Dude, behind you! I'm gonna die because oxygen is a thing that I don't have. Let me have oxygen. There we go. I got it eventually. It just took a couple of years. I feel like we got it. Is that the way in? Why is this again? Why are you a native species to this land? That makes no sense. Could you not? Just kindly, like, no. Could you not? Again, also, no. No. Don't stop me now. I'm not having a good time. Or a ball. Awesome. Do your thing that you're supposed to do. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Yeah, this seems about right. No. No, 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 no. Die! Okay. Okay. No. Okay. 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 Yep. Okay. What's over here? Oh, it's a nice gate. I see a serious lack of alien creature. I want to see this thing appear, because I know, in my heart of hearts, that it's just getting teleported from Zen. And even though this game is nowhere near canonically to the Half-Life experience, I have a headcanon right now that it definitely 100% is. Therefore, this would back it up. Now, where is that alien beast? Tell me. Yeah? Okay, it just appears out of the fog. Yeah? You thought? Take damage. Okay. Okay. I killed it. Guys, I am an epic gamer, if you didn't know this. Maybe you should get educated. Educate yourself. Edumacate. Edumizecate. I am going to throw a grenade at you. I cannot throw a grenade! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna need to swim. I need to... Don't. No. Oxygen, why are you so important? Please. Break, 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 break. It doesn't care. Okay. Now it goes. Now it goes, yeah? Now it goes. So that's how my luck is. I need to save as I've killed an alien. No, you're back! You were dead! Are you just infinite? Are you inevitable? I'm gonna save. Not load, save. Okay. Oh. Yeah? This gonna be great. Yeah. Yeah. Don't. No. Let me live. Please tell me there's oxygen up here. There's gotta be oxygen, yeah? Where is the oxygen? Guys, this isn't exactly like... I mean, there's a lot of oxygen here. Why is it so rare? No. I was never here. You were never here. You were also never here. There's probably a facility, but at this point I just don't care. Why? Please. You're hungry? I don't think I can help with that. Where? Hi. Yeah, thanks. You snuck up on me. I get it. I can't open that. Well, I guess I have to swim again. Well... I am not saving. I'm not loading. Sorry, not loading. I am not loader. Not that either. Oh, there was oxygen here the whole time. Wow, you are terrifying. I don't like that. I don't like the face they put on that head crab. Okay. Very good. I will now return to the surface. Hopefully in one piece. You're kidding. You weren't here a second ago. You're not. Could you stop? You're one of the few things that can shoot. I really hate you. Fresh meat? Subway, eat fresh. Zombies are eating flesh. Abstinence of this town seems like man. Stay away. Abstaining from this town. Sorry. Okay. I will now charge head on. Head on. No! Explosion. Hi. Is that... No! Stop! I hate your kind. I really do. I'd really prefer if you just ceased to exist. Cease and desist existence as we know it. And you know it. You maybe not know it. I mean, you might not be that smart. Who knows? Are you even a philosopher? Am I a philosopher? Gosh. No. I can't. I'm just not okay. I'm just not okay, guys? It's loud. Seems like I'm crushing a lot of bones. Hello? Hello? Pipe, you're blocking the way. Scoot over a little bit. Let me back on. Haha, back. This is not gonna end well for me. Where? Yeah? No! Get out of here. That's just not cool, man. I swear, man, like, the amount of uncoolness that is being deployed by these guys is kind of astounding. Come on, not cool! You're on top of explosive barrels. Okay. So you're gonna die, by the way. You're not dead. Yeah, okay. Jeez. Sorry, what? Hi. Yeah, you, died inside of... Wow. Wow, that's a lot of you. I'm gonna shoot the one that's not moving. Gosh dang. Okay. No, that's... You... Okay, I thought for a second that... What the heck, man? There is a never-ending amount of these. Where do you get these kind of supplies? Also, did they destroy that track? Oh, no. What the heck, man? I mean, they can use guns. I know that much. Oh, wait. Can I just... Wait up, can I go backwards? Yeah, there we go. Okay, here's the plan. That's not the plan. Go in there. That's not gonna work, okay. Can I break this? I'm gonna just break this entire thing down. Yeah, no. Clearly not. But, here's a big but. Not that kinda. Yeah, we all know. Okay. Hunger? Dude, you can clearly not be that hungry. Just a little bit ago. Should've eaten when you had the chance, guys. Shut up. Shut up. Oh. I really prefer you shut up. Okay. Are they hungry? I think they're hungry.